The easiest way to get SEO clients using ShineRanker. What's up everyone, James here, and in this video I want to show you a few short steps to not only get SEO leads, but to close them in a way that doesn't take you long at all, and in a way that has them convinced to work with you long before they ever even get on the phone with you. So if you want to follow along, the first step is to grab your free 10-day trial at shineranker.com so that you can follow along with what I'm going to show you here. There's a big purple button here. Grab your free trial so that you can start getting and closing more SEO leads. So let's go ahead and get started. That's the first step. Grab your 10-day free trial. So the next step is to embed the audit tool on your website. So the reason we're going to do this is because this is going to streamline the process. This is going to allow our prospects to audit their own website so that long before we even get on the phone with them, they have an idea of what's going on with their website and what they need to fix. Now, I'm going to show you how to take this up to the next level so that not only do these people get this free audit, but they get a personalized message from you pretty much on autopilot, showing them that you are the one to work with. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you've got your free trial to ShineRanker, this is what your dashboard is going to look like, and you're going to want to come down here to this button that says Leads List. Now, this will all be empty for you because you don't have any leads yet, at least not in this system, but I'm going to show you how to fix that. You're going to click this button right here that says Get Widget. It's got some blocks here. Click the Get Widget button. Now, all you have to do is copy this code and paste it on into your website, into a page on your website. So here's exactly what that looks like on one of my websites. This is baltimorecitySEO.com/audit, and I recommend making the end of your URL audit so that you can easily tell people, hey, you want to audit, go to my website /audit. But anyways, so this is what that looks like. This is this box here where it says enter a URL and an email and view a free site audit. So what happens is when someone puts their email in here, or their website, sorry, I'll give you an example here using one of my websites. And then what happens is they immediately get to access an audit of their website. This spreadsheet is created showing them all the pages on their website, showing them if the H1 is in the title, and all these other important details as to things that will affect whether the website ranks on Google, whether it has contact forms, what the word count is, the title, the H1, the H2, image count, and so on. All of this information that can help somebody rank their website on Google. So that's what they get as soon as they put their information into this form here. Now, what I want to show you is how to take first of all, what this means for you, and then second of all, how to take this to the next level. But before we do, let's come back to the steps here, because step 3 is very important. What you want to do is go to Facebook and make a post that says who wants a free SEO audit. Now, if you have an audience already, if you have an agency, if you're already known for doing SEO, the cool thing is you can actually charge for these audits. I've charged up to $1,000 for one of these audits in the past, and while that may not be a lot of money to you, I know some people charge a lot more than that for audits, but it was certainly a lot of money for me for about 1 hour's worth of work. So the first thing you need to do is obviously get people into your system so that you have some leads. So you'll go ahead and embed this on your website, and then you'll make a post on Facebook saying who needs an SEO audit. So then what's going to happen is people are going to comment, yes, I do, etc. And each time they do, you're going to share your link with them. So in this case, it would be baltimorecitySEO.com/audit. I would either respond to their comment or send them a message saying, here you go, here is where you can go to get your free audit. So now what happens inside your dashboard is you're done with the widget. We'll click OK. Each time someone enters their information here, it's going to be imported on this page. So watch, if I refresh this, we might need to come back to the button again, but now it should show the new website that I just entered into it just a second ago. Not sure what happened there. Let me refresh one more time. There we go. And so you can see at the bottom here is howtorank.com, the website I just entered, and my email here. So now, just right from this screen, as your leads come in, you can easily see which one of these businesses you might want to reach out to. For example, some of these have email addresses showing on the website, some of them don't. Some of them have phone numbers, this one does, and the rest don't. And the same with socials. So what would be really easy to do is to come to one of these websites here that has 0 and reach out to them and say, hey, adding your email and your social and your phone number to your website is a great way to get more business. So the next step I want to show you, if you want these leads to close themselves, right, because they've already got their free audit here. They've already got useful information, but maybe this person isn't into marketing. Maybe they don't know about SEO. They don't really know what this data means. So what I want you to do is to take their website, just copy their website here, and then come up here to this button that says Shine Audit. Click this button that says Enter Website Link for Analysis, and then put their website in here and go ahead and take a look at their audit. And then when you do that, I want you to pull their website up in a new screen. So I'll pull my website up here, howtorank.com. Now, when you pull this up next to the audit, you're going to want to use a screen recording tool like Loom. This is a Chrome extension you can get where literally you just click this button here. This thing pops up, and then you can click Start Recording. So then I would just simply click Start Recording, and you can see here it has my microphone, and you can set it to record a tab or your full screen. So I would just start recording and say, hey, I was taking a look at your website here. This is the site audit, and I noticed that on this page, free trial, Google Analytics is missing. Or I might say that your H1 is not in your title. That's probably an even better thing to say. I would start the recording and say, hey, I'm looking at your audit here, and I noticed that your H1 is not in your title. By fixing this, you have a much better chance of ranking higher on Google. And then I could actually go ahead and show how to fix this. So if we come here is the H1, and the title is the metadata, what shows up on Google when your website shows in search results. The title and meta description show up, so we would want this to be the same, the H1 and the title, and it actually tells us that here in the audit. If we scroll over here, here we go. The H1 is how to rank on Google. I think we might have scrolled past the title. Here we go, and the title is How to Rank World's Most Powerful SEO Tools. So I should either change my H1 to this or change the title to How to Rank on Google. And anyways, you explain that in a quick Loom video. This can be 2 minutes, this can be 5 minutes, however much of your time you want to invest into this prospect, and that probably depends on how much you want to work with this person, which again you can determine from the information right within your Shine Audit dashboard here. So if we come back to the leads list, you can easily see you could see the name of their website, you could see their email, some cases there might be phone numbers available to you, so you could take a better look at these websites and see, okay, maybe these people have a budget and are looking for SEO services. Okay, maybe this looks like a website somebody made in their basement. They might not be the best person to reach out to. You can get all of this right from looking at this leads list, and it's easy to just delete the leads that you don't want. You can archive them, and there's even a feature here where you can mark as contacted, so there that turns the bubble blue so you know which of these people have been contacted. It's a great way to, first of all, get leads into your system using the widget here, just embedding this. It's as simple as copying and pasting the code, right? So then you make a post on Facebook, or you tell your friends, or you send out an email blast. Somehow you get people to this page so that they can input their information, and you can have them all here within this dashboard. So if we come back to the steps, step 3 is to post on Facebook. Then I showed you step 4, record a video showing them exactly how to fix 1 or 2 of these problems so that they see that you do in fact know what you're talking about, and they want more help from you. So then step 5 is to follow up and close the sale. That's a no-brainer, but I just wanted to include it here so that because that is one of the most important steps, right? Odds are low that someone's just going to wake up and remember to call and give you money. So you probably want to reach out, give them a call, send them an email, say, hey, did you get the audit? Did you implement the changes I showed you? I think these are going to have a really powerful effect on your organic traffic. So why don't you go ahead and implement those changes and reach out to me when you're ready to make some more changes and get some more customers coming through your doors. Something like that. And that's about it. Now you have a new paying, hopefully monthly customer and a new source of revenue. So I have one more step here, step 6. The next step, once you've done this a few times, is to scale this process up using bots, because realistically there's only so many people that you can reach out to. There's only so many Loom calls that you can record, and only so many phone calls you can make, playing the back and forth game of trying to figure out whether people want SEO. So I've been experimenting with a new way of getting clients. Now I'm doing affiliate marketing, not services, but you could absolutely do the same thing with services and using bots. So if you head on over to fortunebots.com, you could check out the class that I'm taking now with Chase. But basically I want to show you how this works here. So I'll bring up Sketchpad to show you what these bots do and how they can automate your lead generation process. So the bots do 2 things. The first thing the bots do is they go out and they scrape the web, they scrape Google search results to create you a list based on a keyword, a list of websites. So say we were looking for chiropractors, right? We wanted to reach out and sell chiropractors something in the business to business world, whether we're selling them leads, or maybe you're selling them medical equipment, whatever it is. Say you need to reach chiropractors and you want to reach a lot of them. This software, this bot, will go out and scrape the web and create you a list of all of the websites about chiropractors. Then the next thing it will do is it will allow you to create a message, right? You can create a short email message that says, basically what you want. So assume you're looking for SEO clients and you work with chiropractors. You would say, hey, we help chiropractors get more clients by ranking their websites on Google. We noticed a small problem on your website. Would you like us to send you a screenshot, right? So what does that do? By telling them, hey, you found a small problem. No one wants a problem on their website, and you're offering to send them a screenshot. So most people are going to want that fixed. So that's a great way to get people to say yes. So we'll put this message here. We'll put yes because that's the goal. Sorry about the drawing with this cursor. It's not the best, but anyways, that's the goal, is to get a yes from this message. So we have this list of leads here, people we want to contact. So what the bot is going to do is reach out to all of these different websites through their contact form. Most websites have a form on them, contact us, leave us a message, whatever it is. So this bot is going to send your message to hundreds or thousands or tens of thousands of these websites. So then they all get this message and they all reply yes. Of course, not all of them will, but you get what I'm going. You get the idea here. You get where I'm going with this. So now suddenly you have an inbox full of yeses from companies that want to work with you. Companies who are your target, your ideal dream customer avatar, specifically because you went out and you used this software to scrape this list of highly targeted leads. So anyways, I hope this helps. That is the last step. That's how you scale up. If you want to learn exactly how to do it and see step-by-step videos, head on over to fortunebots.com and get yourself a bot set up that is going to do contact form marketing and reach out to thousands or tens of thousands of businesses on your behalf. And you could even just send them a link straight away to your audit page. You could just use this bot to send out thousands, tens of thousands of messages saying, hey, if you want a free SEO audit, go to yourwebsite.com/audit. So hope this helps. If you haven't already, head on over to shineranker.com, grab your 10-day free trial, embed the widget on your website using this button here, and it's as simple as that. And then before you know it, you'll have a list of people waiting to hear from you about your SEO services. So take care, everybody. I hope you implement this sooner rather than later. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more SEO and Shine Ranker tips as they come out. And other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.